Most of us would like to be a little fitter than we are, but only a few of us get really committed. All that exercise and healthy eating is worth it though when looking at the before and after pictures. Truly inspirational. Vicky Pattison. British reality TV star Vicky Pattison has made a business out of her fitness transformation. Appearing on the MTV UK version of Jersey Shore, Geordie Shore, Vicky went on to land her own show, Judge Geordie, and won I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. But more impressive than all of this is Vicky's fitness transformation. She dropped 4 dress sizes and launched her own fitness range, Mini V. She developed a nutritional protein and supplement range specifically for women. Vicky added to her fitness empire by releasing workout DVD Vicky's 7-Day Slim. Billy Kay. Billy Kellman founded the popular Billy Kay Fitness after struggling with his weight his entire life. After he lost everything in 2010, he started going to the gym. He started planning his meals too, out of financial necessity, and his body started to transform. Billy shared his journey on Facebook and Instagram, and as his followers grew, he shared tips, recipes, and advice. This led to the creation of his very own program to encourage others to change their lifestyles for good. There's certainly no better promotional tool than his own amazing before and after photos. Michelle Steinke. Michelle Steinke's fitness transformation is truly inspirational. Although happily married with 2 kids and a corporate job, Michelle was miserable at 206 pounds. She committed to an intense exercise program to improve her health and well-being, but 8 weeks later, tragedy struck when her husband and best friend were killed in a plane crash. Michelle used exercise as therapy, crediting endorphins as the best antidepressant. 3 months later, she ran a half marathon, and then 5 months on, she ran a full San Diego marathon. She lost 80 pounds and then went on to found her own One Fit Widow blog and 1FW Fit Life program. Blake Beckford. Blake Beckford's fitness transformation is truly inspirational, given his medical condition. The model from England showed off his ripped physique while posing with his colostomy bag on show. At age 19, soon after he started training for fitness competitions, Blake was diagnosed with chronic bowel disease. He lost weight and struggled to gain muscle. After 10 years, Blake had an ileocectomy operation. His large bowel and small intestine were removed to form a stoma. But that didn't stop him from pursuing his dream. He defied doctors' prognosis as he wouldn't be able to train like he did pre-surgery. Look at the amazing shape he's in just after 1 year of working out. Kim Shaper. Kim Shaper became a fitness instructor in 2005 following her own very complicated relationship with food, weight, and exercise. Having been an athlete in high school, Kim became severely anorexic and went down to 75 pounds. Overeating then led Kim to weigh in at 185 pounds, officially obese for her height. She took control by training at the gym and changing her diet. Kim now shares her story with her clients and helps inspire them to change without quick fixes. The triathlete's amazing before and after pictures at both ends of the scale are certainly inspirational. Josh Sundquist. Paralympian Josh Sundquist has impressive fitness levels as a ski racer, but his fitness transformation in 2006 is seriously impressive. In a video he uploaded to prove his before and after photos aren't fake, Josh explained why and how he got so ripped. In 2006, he wasn't feeling good about the way he looked or his health. He was very careful about what he ate and worked out incredibly hard over the next 6 weeks. After 3 months, the transformation was quite staggering. Given that he also fought bone cancer after being diagnosed at age 9, underwent a year of chemotherapy, and had his leg amputated, it's pretty safe to say Josh is amazing. Erica Nicole Kendall. Erica Nicole Kendall's fitness transformation started because of her mom, who encouraged her to join the local fitness center after she gained post-baby weight. Erica chronicled her 160-pound weight loss journey on her website, A Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss. She now has a huge online community with thousands of Facebook likes, Twitter followers, email subscribers, and members of her clean eating bootcamp. Her fitness philosophy involves compassion, consistency, positive body image, mindfulness, and pleasure. The personal trainer from New York champions high-intensity interval training for weight loss. Mr. and Mrs. C. Mr. and Mrs. C, aka Stephen and Claire Crowther, have gone through a fitness transformation together. The British couple made a pact they wouldn't get married until they got in shape. The process took 5 years, but their healthy eating and training regimen got them where they wanted to be. Mrs. C lost an incredible 84 pounds, almost half her original weight. She's gone on to compete in fitness competitions and is insanely ripped. They now inspire others through their health fitness blog Shared Gains. Jennifer Nicole Lee. Jennifer Nicole Lee's before and after pictures went viral on Facebook thanks to her strong messages. Literally, the professional fitness model's "strong is the new skinny" tee sums up her approach to fitness transformations. When the mom of two's weight peaked at 200 pounds, she decided to do something about it. But rather than focus on fat loss, she chose to focus on strength. Her approach certainly worked as she got down to 130 pounds. Jennifer is now keen to encourage women to rate their health on how strong they feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.